Thank you for joining us for fun things to do in Douglas County. My children, we were on Christmas break, so we decided to go out Sunday. This was after Christmas, but Sunday afternoon, about 3 o'clock in Douglas County, to show you some of the things that we like to do around Douglasville. So we started in downtown Douglasville, so you see them walking in downtown Douglasville. They had it decorated for the holidays. They have restaurants and shops and a great little fountain in downtown Douglasville that they're looking in there. And then they had also in this area, there's like a courtyard of sorts. And a lot of times the city of Douglasville will host their performances and that sort of thing. You see families, they're bringing bikes to ride their bikes in downtown Douglasville. They have some outside patio seating. I've done a video on the Grits restaurant that's right there. And you know, they have a stage, that's where they do some of their performances and that sort of thing. They just, again, have it decorated for the holidays. And the kids loved, you know, playing with that. And now we're going to take a walk a little bit further down. This is where the Douglas County Welcome Center is, and they have a few other things just around. The Douglas County Film Trail, this is a part of it here. It'll tell you different places in Douglas County where films have happened. I know we do a lot of Stranger Things filming in Douglas County, so you can find a lot like this, but the Welcome Center is here. And where we are now is kind of Veterans Memorial Highway. So if you take this road all the way down, it'll lead you to 285 Cobb County. And then this is where the train is. So we have a train that comes through Douglas County. Sometimes Amtrak comes through, but for the most part it's freight trains. But if you go across the train tracks, it's still Douglasville, and it's gonna lead you into Douglas County. It's gonna lead you into Paulding County. We're passing a pizza restaurant, and then we're gonna go to Gumbo's, which is a very popular Cajun restaurant in Douglas County. And we also have Kumba Coffee. So there's a lot of little shops in this area. It's, again, Sunday afternoon, so not much is going on Sunday afternoon in Douglas County. Some of the shops were closed and some of the restaurants were closed. Some of them opened up later in the day. So now we're at West Pines Golf Course. Now they don't have their official golf clothes on because we're just doing this, trying to do this whole thing in one day. So they just have kind of their play clothes on, but they took lessons here, golf lessons here, and they were really affordable. This is our only public golf course. A lot of the other golf courses in the area are private, so you have to pay fees, you know, to join and to use their course. But this is a pretty affordable public golf course. So not only do people that live in Douglasville use it, a lot of people in the surrounding areas use it as well. So this was a really nice day, nice Sunday afternoon. So you had a lot of people out. They're right now at the driving range. So as long as you have golf clubs, you bring your golf clubs, and for $5 you can get a bag of balls. So if you want to occupy your children, you can have them come out. And I think we got, you know, a set of golf clubs. I have a left-hander and a right-hander, so we had to get some right-hand clubs and some left-hand clubs, but they pretty much share the set. And then they have a putting green down here, but you can see there's a golf cart right there, so you have some people playing on that side, and then you'll see to your right 3 more golf courses. It's not golf courses, 3 more golf carts. So you'll see a lot of, you know, people come out, and they use this golf course a lot. They have junior golf lessons. That's what my children did, but they also have, you know, adult golf lessons as well as individual lessons. So if you're interested in golf or getting started in Douglas County, this is a great golf course to go to. And you can see in the distance, it's right off of I-20. It's kind of in between Highway 5 and Chapel Hill Road. And you can see them on the putting green. But again, just a good place to go in Douglas County. So we've been to downtown Douglasville. I would say the it's less than 5 minutes from downtown Douglasville to West Pines. They're all very close together. What I like a lot about Douglas County is that everything is so close together. You don't have to drive far for a lot of the amenities that you're gonna find in our county. He can't get this ball in. He'll try it one more time, and I think he'll make it. So yeah, so we really like this. We definitely like coming on a nice day. All right, we're at place number 3, which is Thunder Zone. Thunder Zone is an entertainment center. It has a lot of different things you can do. So we're gonna walk inside, and you're gonna see immediately to your right is an arcade. And the kids love this, and you can win prizes, you know, if you get enough tickets and that sort of thing. So you can do the games. They also have laser tag. So in the back of the arcade, there's laser tag. And we're gonna get to another area. I don't show it as much in this video, but there's more of an adult area with pool tables and televisions, kind of like a sports bar area. They do sell food in here, so kind of like wings and pizza and that sort of thing. Here's the bowling alley, and again, it's a Sunday afternoon. Not a lot of people are there, but they do have specials on Sundays for bowling. So definitely a place that you need to check out in Douglasville. And again, so from the golf course to Thunder Zone is probably another 5 minutes, right? So now we're at Hunter Park. Hunter Park is a City of Douglasville park. They have 2 major parks, and we go here to fish sometimes, to walk, to play sports. This is where a lot of the baseball fields, and we're gonna go there next. Baseball fields, softball fields, they have tennis. So right now we're just gonna walk to the lake, and around the lake area is a walking trail. So at most of the parks, you're gonna have a walking trail, and it'll tell you, like, you know, if you go around this walking trail 2 times, that might be like, you know, a mile or so. So there are plenty of opportunities to get exercise in Douglas County and Douglasville. You see a young lady kind of running right there. So we're gonna go to the little dock right there. He's gonna put his fishing pole in the water. But yeah, they also have fishing derbies. So sometimes you can catch fishing derbies that the City of Douglasville or Douglas County puts on, either at Deerlit Park, they'll have a fishing derby, or they have them at Hunter Park. And basically it's a kind of a competition to see who catches the most fish, who catches the largest fish, and they will stock the lake with fish specifically for the derbies. And you can find the derbies, you know, just in the local guide. When I do my monthly what's going on in Douglasville, I'll try to include some more of those in there if you really like fishing. But at most of the parks that have lakes, and Douglas County has a lot of properties with lakes, but most of the properties, be it Sweetwater, Hunter Park, Deerlit Park, most of the parks with lakes will allow you to fish. Some, like Sweetwater, will allow you to boat. So just be prepared if you like that sort of thing. You have that opportunity, but pretty much the whole family can come out to Hunter Park and have something to do. So whether you're going to be fishing, walking, and inside you can rent out rooms for events. That's where they have a lot of their classes. My children took a film class over this summer. A park ranger summer camp. They have the ducks there. There's just something always to do. This is the playground, and my daughter's gonna go down that slide. But one of the favorite playgrounds in the area. And so now we're gonna go just around Hunter Park. This is closer to where they have the baseball fields and the softball fields. So we're just gonna drive around. Here's the parking lot. So on a Saturday during baseball season, this is packed. They have fall baseball and they have spring baseball, and they're doing the same thing for softball this year. You'll see spring softball and you'll see spring baseball, and it is packed here during baseball season. It's really fun, you know, fun to come out during baseball season. And in the back, we're gonna turn here, but in the back of Hunter Park, you have the Boys and Girls Club. So if you were wondering where the Boys and Girls Club is or was, it is in the back of Hunter Park. And then there's also tennis courts. So Alta They're Alta regulated tennis courts. So if you have a tennis team, they could play out of Hunter Park. I know a lot of them already do play out of Hunter Park, but really great courts over there. Now we're gonna turn around in this Vet Honor Garden, and it's like, you know, a garden that really memorializes the military. So it has a plane there, and it has like all of the military, the Marines, the Army, Air Force, all of that. You know, they're honoring them there, and it's a good place to kind of just sit and see in Douglas County if you have never been. So we're gonna keep on driving. And lastly, we left, our fifth place was Foxhall Resort. Please watch this video next, all about Foxhall.